refuse his offer for dinner right away.
So he's so
Not having
unsuspecting.
dinner with him.
Bada sa charming karke, you know. And so I hope the women still want to have dinner with me. I don't know.
Lovely to meet your team hostage. And एक बात बताओ, कौन किसके पीछे यहाँ भाग रहा है? रोनित सर के पीछे डीनो एंड दिव्या जी भाग रहे हैं या डीनो के पीछे दिव्या जी भाग रहे हैं?
जैसे रोनित सर ने कहा, अब खेल पलट चुका है. हाँ. तो मैं इनके पीछे भाग रहा हूँ अभी. मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ कि रोनित सर कहाँ हैं गायब. और actually unfortunately अफसोस की बात ये है कि I didn't get to shoot with Divya. I would have loved to have done a couple of scenes with Divya, but
I know.
You know, and I didn't get to chase her because if I had to chase her, I wouldn't have killed her. I would have had dinner with her.
रोनित सर, एक बात बताओ, रोनित सर को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं क्या नामुमकिन है?
I think इस शो में हर कोई किसी चीज के पीछे भाग रहा है और the beauty of the show is कि हमको पता नहीं कि कौन किसके पीछे भाग रहा है. तो जैसे दिव्या मेरे पीछे भाग रही है पर उन्हें पता नहीं कि मेरे पीछे भाग रही है या नहीं भाग रही है. मैं कहीं हूँ, वहां से भागने के चक्कर में हूँ, तो पता नहीं कि कैसे भागे और कैसे लोगों को भगाएं. तीनों तो बड़ा
मैं भाग रहा हूँ.
हाँ, तीनों सबको जितने लोग भाग रहे हैं उनको गोली मार के रोक देता है भागने से.
एलिमिनेट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. But you saw the end of the show?
अब बताओ मत ना, बाकियों ने नहीं देखा है.
क्या आपने देखी show? End last episode.
Divya's already binge watched the show. So how does it feel playing the badass character Aisha?
I'm actually not a badass, yeah. I mean, she's a mixed bag of everything. She's very clear about what she wants, very assertive at her job, vulnerable, and somewhere a softie, but go-getter. When it needs to be done, it needs to be done, and charming to get her stuff done. So yeah, it's that, and binge watch मतलब migraine हो गया है क्योंकि इतना लेट तक जागने की आदत नहीं है. It was like एक और देख लेते हैं और एक और देख लेते हैं. So yeah, I saw that. Huh? I saw 5. So before I started the 6th one, I was like, okay, now that's it. I will see it tomorrow.
But it's interesting. All three of you are playing characters that you have not been, that you've not played before as such. You know, कि रोनित सर की तो वो एक छवि बनी हुई है ना, वो जैसे ऋषभ बजाज एंड फिर वो कहने को हम सफर है टाइप. यहाँ सडनली यहाँ पर एसपी हैं. दिव्या की भी एक छवि है. Dino also has that particular, you know, look about him. You know, you just say Dino now to the women, they still go crazy. So what was it like for all of you to the characters that you're playing? Honestly, Dino, a lot of women are going to now do this to me.
Is it?
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, I'm happy about that. That's good. I'm really happy. But playing an antagonist, a professional killer. When I saw the Israeli show, I thought, okay, this is a great character, but let me try and change him around because जो मैंने देखा उस show में, the guy was an assassin, but very, मेरे ख्याल से he was very plain. So we tried with Sachin, the director, I tried to see how we can just make this character a little more interesting. है तो assassin, professional killer, उनका main plan है कि सबको eliminate करना है. So I did a little homework on my own to understand what are the nuances of an assassin. और सबसे खास बात ये है कि when you play a negative, I feel there's no parameters as to what you can do. Right? When you play a protagonist or a positive character, उसमें हाँ बहुत सारे parameters हैं which you can't really cross. So for me, this was an opportunity to go and really see what I can do as an actor and try and take it, you know, to as mad as possible, yet remain charming. मैं सभी को यही कहता हूँ कि I wanted to play this character कि you don't know if he's coming to have dinner with you or he's coming to kill you.
Oh, refuse his offer for dinner right away.
So he's so
I'm not having
unsuspecting.
dinner with him.
बड़ा सा charming करके, you know. And so I hope the women still want to have dinner with me. I don't know.
I'm sure they do. आपको पता नहीं है, आपका fan club 20 साल से वैसे ही जारी है.
क्या
And
बात है.
and another person who has another the fan club going, let him finish his food. We go to Divya first. Divya, what about you? Do you feel with this platform you're getting a lot more to explore?
I suddenly realized this lockdown I had 4 releases or whatever you call that. So it's been amazing, and all have been very distinctly different from one another. And the kind of audience and the kind of responses and the word of mouth, it has been really overwhelming, I must say. And so I think it's out there for everyone to just pick what they want to watch and enjoy it. And I think everyone, I've been like flooded with messages today, is watching Hostage too. And I think it was on their wish list forever. So अच्छा लग रहा है एक ऐसे सीरीज सीजन 2 को बिलोंग करना जो सबकी विश लिस्ट पे ऑलरेडी था, and I think this has just gotten bigger and better. So I'm liking this new audience, which includes everyone, I guess, your niche, your classes, all age groups, and it's lovely.
Well, I said, did you resonate with your character? Do you draw parallels between yourself and your character, Prithvi Singh?
See, firstly, I'd like to speak about our newer cast.
Gee.
In continuation what they were saying, I think the casting is just amazing. Ki cold-blooded assassin, but at the same time he's not cold-blooded assassin like our Bollywood gangster movies, no. बुश शर्ट और लूज पैंट पहन के नीचे चप्पल पहन के इधर घोड़ा रख के. He's a good looking, suave, smooth, confident, and when they were casting and I was thinking, I said, yaar, who is there in our industry? And when they told me that it's Dino, I was like, इससे better हो ही नहीं सकता. You know, and this is what makes it more interesting, is that it is not a cliche. Dino is the hunk who, you know, women swoon over, and you know, so he already has that. He's already gifted with that, and then to bring that cold-blooded thing in, and I've shot with him. He's amazing in this role. Then Divya, Then Divya. Now there is no doubt about Divya's talent. I mean, we all know, right? She's an extremely gifted actor. But to put her in the role of a negotiator. What is a negotiator? A negotiator is a very, very sharp, very shrewd person, at the same time holding balance between the two people. You know, somebody wants something, the other person doesn't want to give, the other person wants to give something, but they don't want to take, they don't want to comply with each other. So to be the mediator among two warring parties is, I think, calls for a lot of intellect. And so this package in the form of Divya Datta, that was amazing. And then Dino's best friend is there in our show, Shivani.
Shivani Jaha.
Yeah, and I mean, she's fits the role like a glove. And then there's Shweta Basu, who is a very, very integral part in the show, and absolutely parallel track. And she's done fabulously well. So, मेरा हमेशा ये होता है, I always say that, it is never one person. Of course, it starts from the writer's desk. The writing goes to the director's desk and the DOP, and everybody contributes. But then eventually, the soul of every character belongs to the actor, and the actor has to come and play. And it has happened to me sometimes where, the role has been fabulous, but the actor casted in that role has, you're standing there and saying, What? No. No, that happens. But this time around, I'm just so happy and honored to be part of this stellar cast. It's just amazing. I mean, everybody's. Please watch. I'm sure you haven't watched. Have you?
One.
Yeah. No, no. Please watch. You must watch to see how everybody is done. And special mention to Sachin Krishnan for because he's the only guy who has like a bird's eye view on the entire thing. So it's amazing how every character, every actor is so comfortable in the character's skin and has delivered so seamlessly and so effortlessly. तो रही मेरी बात तो मैं तो 1 से 2 में आया तो I needed. I've been lucky that this was the support I needed, and from my co-players, from my fellow actors, and I got it, and it's been a wonderful ride.
And seeing you after a very long time, and Divya, it's like you are now on the OTT space. What is your take? Because you've all done films as well, and this is another medium where you can break away from the stereotypes that films. You also have done it. That films puts on you. Box office determines whether the forthcoming projects. What is your take on this space? And do you think we are coming of age, and we'll see way better content now?
You want
Who's it for?
to
Dino?
go first, Divya?
Well, I think theatre has its own charm for sure. That's another world altogether. Going to the theatre, watching it on the big screen with your popcorns and a huge crowd cheering up for what you root for. That charm, that grandeur is always there. But saying so, I think OTT is something which has created its own niche beautifully. And it has really gotten itself an audience which is like very widespread. And we are not counting any numbers as such. The thing is on the word of mouth. Like today, we've been reading reviews everywhere, and everyone's talking about hostages, and so everyone says तुमने क्या देखा, तुमने क्या देखा, और वो करते करते it becomes the new hot trending thing. So yes, quality has taken over. Quality is what is the most important to people. Good work, characterizations have become very important. Everyone wants to do these distinctly different characters and roles, and audience is ready to take them because audience has become very sorted. They don't want to see that stereotypical stuff. So yes, I think this has been a very welcome thing for all of us. Especially, I think this lockdown has been it's been a saver for people.
So anyway, I'll start with you, Dino. What were you saying? It's been a while since we saw you on screens, and
Yes. My break from the big screen was just a conscious decision not to do terrible films. The offers I was getting was really not worth being a part of. And so I made a conscious decision to take a step back and say, I'd rather work in films or anything else or create content when I become as an actor to be a part of it. Fortunately for OTT, I think it's a great space. I think platforms are fantastic. There's very little room for mediocrity here because the quality of writing, the quality of shows coming out, everyone getting one up on the other. The bar is being set really high. So for actors, for writers, for directors, for anybody involved in the OTT space right now, the quality of work coming out is outstanding. The opportunities for everybody is immense. Great time for anyone to make content, be an actor. Great time, and I'm happy. Through the years, while I was not continuously practicing and I was taking acting classes and so on and so forth, just to be ready in the event that someone comes along. Will you shoot something for me? I say, yeah, I'm ready. So I've been honing my skills. At a good time.
Ronak, what about you? This was the year in lockdown. You celebrated 10 years of Udaan. You've had 2 releases also. So are you enjoying the space?
Am I enjoying the lockdown?
Enjoying the lockdown and the work.
No, I definitely, I am not under lockdown anymore. But while I was, I didn't enjoy it at all. But you see, there are this 2020 in general is going to change people's lives forever. In a small way, some lives in a small way, some lives in a big way. Uh, I have called upon many changes, to my life because there has been a lot of time to reflect on one's life, and I have thought a lot, and well, I'm thankful that we celebrated 10 years of Udan and the other things also, and KKHH released, and now Hostages 2 is releasing. So yeah, grateful to God and everybody else for that. But yeah, this is like everybody else. This has been the worst year of our lives. Thankfully, it has not been tough on me and my family. So I'm really, really grateful to God. But yes, this is going to bring about a lot of changes in my life, uh, which are some of them are effective currently. So yeah, let's. I pray every day that all of us make it out of this, well and unscathed as possible, and we all bring those very necessary. Not all of us. I don't know about everybody, but most of us have been running. We've been running and we've been running and we've been running and we've been running and we've been chasing and we've been running and we've been jumping and we've been trying to latch on to things and accumulate and all those things, which now it's. I think it's time to look at the other side. It's time to stop on the path and smell the roses. So I hope it brings positivity. That positive, because every negative cannot exist without the positive. So it's about the yin and yang situation. So I hope the positive reveals itself soon, and that it affects everybody's life positively. And that's what I pray for every day.
Likewise, we need it. And before I go, Divya had said an astrologer had told her 40s are going to be the best time of her life. Usko zara le aao, usko bolo sahi bola, hum sabke liye predict karne ke liye.
मिल नहीं रहा है वो, पता नहीं कहाँ चला गया.
But honestly, Divya, it's really been an awesome, phase for you.
Sorry, I didn't hear that.
She just did this.
Yes.
What?
We couldn't hear you, Pooja.
I
Could
said
you
it's
repeat?
been an awesome phase for you, this phase, the kind of work.
Yes, very, very grateful, very grateful. Different variety of stuff coming to actors, and people are ready to experiment. As I said a little while earlier, I think the audience changed somewhere, and so it kind of, I think it's a demand and supply kind of a thing. So the directors and the makers are very encouraged to, try out different stuff. So earlier, now even everyone wants to play something which has meat, nothing just like your song and dance. So yes, it's lovely time for everyone, I guess, and we are in good times, at least as far as this is concerned.
You're speaking to good times. And lastly, do you know more of you? Have you seen more of you?
Yeah, you're going to see lots of me. I've done a show for Ali Abbas. I'm shooting a show for Nikhil Advani called Mughal. Hopefully a movie, hopefully, soon. So this year and 2021 is going to be pretty exciting for me. Yeah.
All of us, all the very best, Team Hostage. And
Thank
so
you.
wonderful. Do we want to take hostage? Amongst the three of you, I think maybe we'll have them all. Anyways, thank you. Looking forward to seeing you.
Thank you.
Bye, Dino. Bye, Divya.
Bye. See you soon.
Yeah.